Stop throwing away money in the form of old jeans, because the best piece in your closet might be the one you almost got rid of. And today we are turning everyday denim into something that looks custom, stylish, and seriously expensive without spending a dime. I found every single one of these ideas scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked my Pinterest board in the description so you can check out the inspiration and patterns for yourself, because some of these transformations are too good to ignore. And as we go through each one, I want you to tell me which idea you would actually try, because once we hit 100 votes on a favorite, I might just recreate the winning one in my own Ms. Angela Sawyer style. So grab those worn out, too tight, too loose, or just plain boring jeans, and let's turn them into something fabulous, fun, and way more expensive looking than they have any right to be. When you look at a pair of everyday jeans, it's easy to think they're just basic, something you throw on without a second thought. But what if that same pair could become your signature piece? Something that feels like it was made just for you and no one else. That's what we're doing here. Taking something ordinary and turning it into something that actually reflects your style, your personality, and the way you want to show up in the world. The difference between everyday and signature isn't money, it's intention. It's the small choices you make, adding a detail here, changing a shape there, and suddenly it stops looking like something off a rack and starts looking like something designed. And here's the part I love. When you create something yourself, you don't just wear it, you carry it differently. You stand a little taller, you feel a little more confident, because you know exactly how it came to be. That's the power of upcycling. It gives you control over your style instead of letting trends decide for you. If you're enjoying this and want more ideas that are simple, creative, and actually doable, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And check the description for my tutorial video list from my other videos, where I break down basic sewing techniques that make these projects easier than they look. I've also linked more related videos so you can keep creating without overthinking it. The goal isn't just to change your clothes, it's to change how you see them. Because once you realize you can turn everyday pieces into signature ones, your whole closet starts to feel full of possibility. So take one pair of jeans you already have, look at it differently, and start shaping it into something that feels like you. And when you're ready for more ideas, go ahead and watch the next video. I'll see you there.